Australia's Next Top Model is entering its 9th season tonight. It's a thrill to have host Jennifer Hawkins and judge and fashion designer Alex Perry with us. Hello to both of you.
Hello.
Hey, Jen, I was reading this morning that Elle Macpherson has said that one of her beauty tips, she carries in her handbag a urine tester kit so she can check her pH balance because she wants to be in an alkaline state.
Oh, wow.
So does Jen. She does that in between, in between takes. Yeah, she has
Oh,
that-
that's
That's why I was
honest.
late in here.
Yeah.
Like, I just
Yeah.
feel a little weird.
You had to check it out. She also said something about she drains her lymph nodes.
Oh, wow.
Have you had any crazy beauty treatments? We were trying to think of some. I've washed my hair in bicarb of soda for about 6 months, thickened it up a bit.
I used hemorrhoid cream on my face.
Wow.
Have you
Face
ever heard
cream
of that?
on his bum.
No, but you're looking a little pinched.
I'm pinched. I'm pinched.
So, Jen, have you done anything
Nothing
crazy?
Nothing crazy.
No
like
placenta
that.
facials?
No.
Apparently Harry
Just
Styles had a
boring things like
placenta.
hydration, and I guess what she's saying is true. I mean, look at Elle.
Yeah,
Maybe
no.
I might be doing that in the future.
Yeah, because
that's
she's like
right.
78
She's
years
a-
of age.
Oh,
or
she
something.
is not.
And she looks like she's about 40. She's like Highlander. You know Highlander? She'll be around for 1,000 years.
She's
Good
pretty-
luck to her.
She's pretty amazing.
Now, with all the girls who are the new crop,
Yeah.
do you have to teach them not only obviously how to be good models, but how to be good humans? Do you teach them manners and life skills as well?
I have to use the line from The Devil Wears Prada that says, because that's what this multi-million-dollar industry is about, inner beauty.
Well,
Yeah, right. Even
Yeah.
you are smirking as
Yeah,
you're
right.
saying that.
No, I was completely smirking. No,
But do you teach them to be good people, or hey, stand up straight, shake a hand, look someone in the
I
face?
think that's more what Didier and Cheyenne do. Like when they come to see us, I mean, unless we do like a challenge with them or something, we give them, we pull them up if they do things that are wrong. I think, just sort of pointed out that that's not great behaviour, or because part of being a great model is that you have to have good people skills, and you've got to be able to work with. I mean, we have long shoot dates, 12 hours, 14 hours. You've got to be nice to be around, have good manners, be good to work with.
It must be tough this season. It's your first season since Charlotte passed away. That's got to be hard.
yeah, it was hard. The first, it was hard, definitely. But I think it was really great because Foxtel left enough space between both of the shows, so everybody got a chance to really deal with it. Not deal with it, but just mourn in a way.
Sure.
Yes.
And then when we started shooting, it was more of a
There were
celebration.
it was. It just there were times that it was a bit tricky. Like the first day.
Yeah, that was-
we
it was
shot. We sort of
tough,
looked down
yeah.
the other end of the desk where Charlotte would be sitting, and so it was like that was tough. And there were certain moments that we really felt that her presence wasn't there. But then we'd talk about her, and
And then
she
it
was
was-
so funny, and we'd oh my God, Charlotte would have said, remember that time she did this. So we remember her all the time in that. But yeah, there were certain moments that I thought we really missed her.
Do you, because you're giant fashionistas, can you wear anything? Like Alex walks around with
No.
sunglasses on his head. If I did that, people go, what do you, stop doing that. Stop. You
That's
guys,
his
Yeah, they tell me that
That's
as
his
well.
thing.
But I,
what, do people say that to you? Do people say,
Yeah, totally. They say really like they say lots of things to me about that.
really?
Yeah, but I don't care.
Because it suits you, though.
Well, I don't care.
My
that's-
question, though, is
yeah.
once you're in there, you can wear anything. Jennifer, you could
I don't
wear
know
a
about
Hessian.
that.
Well, you could wear a Hessian bag.
You could wear stirrup pants.
You can
and
wear
get
still, and
away
people
with
would
it.
say that Jennifer Hawkins, she's on trend right now. We're all going to be
Not
wearing.
really. That's what my brother says. He goes, whatever people in the industry come up with, that's on trend, but not really. I think if it looks stupid, it's not on trend.
What's the dumbest fashion thing you've seen as far in the last 10 years? What's the dumbest fashion thing from hipster jeans
Alex
to
looked
hot-
over to see what I was wearing just then.
Oh, did you?
I did.
No.
I just wanted to make sure that I didn't put my.
You've got a leather jacket on. That's cool.
Make sure I'm not wearing Crocs.
No, it's, you know what?
Yes.
I don't think there's been
Crocs.
I think the biggest crimes are like Crocs. Yeah.
I don't. Yeah.
That's just like backpacker territory, but just things that don't suit you. If you wear stuff, when girls used to wear those low-rise jeans and their guts would hang over the top. It's just it's stuff that doesn't suit you. I think is what is not good for you to wear.
Right.
I think it's if you've got confidence, and then you really rock an outfit. Doesn't matter what it is.
Even a muffin top, confidently
I don't know.
rocking a muffin
If
top.
they're happy, then I don't know. I don't really care.
Who doesn't like muffins? They're delicious.
I know.
Give me some of that muffin. Well, it's great to see you guys
Thank
tonight.
you.
We're going to see you back on the telly, which is just great.
All new show, new girls.
I look
Yeah.
forward to how you're going to torture them this time around.
Yes, thank you. We'll show you a couple of new tricks this season.
Jen,
Oh.
Alex, or Alex and Jen, who gets top billing here. I don't want to cause trouble. Although,
She's my boss.
No.
well, Alex
Well,
is...
she's the
Jen
host.
and Alex, she
Yeah.
is.
Yeah. Okay, well, Jen and Alex then.
Thank you.
Fight it out outside.
But
Thanks.
we all really know who you want to say first.
Fight,
Get
fight,
outta
fight.
Thank you.
Thank
Thanks
you
for having
guys.
us.
Thank you.